SwimSafer Practical, Stage 3. Are you ready? Ready, set, and splash. Swim assessment. Put on your swimwear and wear your goggles. Step 1. Enter the pool with slide-in entry. Step 2. Swim 25 meters backstroke to the middle of the pool. Step 3. Turn around and swim 25 meters front crawl. Step 4. Exit the pool safely. Sequence 3A. Put on your swimwear and no goggles is allowed. Step 1. Enter the pool with stride or straddle entry. Step 2. Swim 25 meters survival backstroke to the middle. Step 3. Turn around and swim 25 meters breaststroke. Step 4. Scull head first on your back for 5 meters. Step 5. Scull, float, or tread water for 50 seconds. Step 6. Dive in and swim through to underwater hoops. Step 7. Surface up and exit the pool safely. Sequence 3B. Put on your swimwear, shorts, and t-shirts. No goggles is allowed. Step 1. Enter the water with slide-in entry. Step 2. Swim 25 meters using either survival backstroke or survival breaststroke. Step 3. Swim towards the PFT and put on the PFT in the water. Step 4. Swim 50 meters using any survival stroke. Step 5. Exit the water safely. That's the end. Great work on completing your 3 missions today.